Hi, Roman Simanto from RS Globus with WorkHolding solution. This video we're going to continue showing different attachment with our cone mount model. Today's video we're going to review a large box for pendants and earrings and wheel for bracelets, necklaces and watches. So let's start with the large box and prepare the sample with shellac and jewelry pieces. On one side there's a pendant, on the other side there's earrings with a post. We utilize our small holes here for the post of the earring, covered with shellac. As soon as it's ready, all you have to do is mount it in between the cone mount, close it, and you have a multi-function usage with two flat surfaces. Rotation to boost your speed, drill open both sides, prepare, start cutting. Everybody's comfortable. Once you want to focus on one side, just lock the ball vase a little bit tighter, and that's it, it's locked. Comfortable grip. Same feature you can achieve using our cone mount on the standard GRS ball vase, using our adapter, mounted in between. Lock it 360 degrees, close the ball vase, and it's locked. Let's go back to the micro GRS ball vase, and I'm going to demonstrate another option how to utilize the large box in a horizontal position. We're going to take our small box made of stainless steel, our bolt 45 millimeters length, put it inside. Let's take our 55 millimeters bolt, put in place, lock it, bolt not interfering with the grip. Now let's put it inside, in between the cone mount, close it, and now you have two options with a comfortable grip. Release a little bit, 360 degrees, close tightly, and you have additional approach to the work territory. It's very individual, each person prefers a different grip, so you have a multi-function usage. Release it a little bit, go back. It's a very great feature if you wanna if you're doing a pendant with a center stone, so you can see if the center stone is leveled from all angles. Reposition from the other side, work again, more efficient. Let's dismount it and take a look at the wheel on next attachment. Now the wheel, made of aluminum once again, mounted shellac and a bracelet, as you see right here. Let's see how it works. You just mount the wheel in between the cone mount, close it. Now we have 360 degrees rotation, approachable. Once you want to start cutting, just close the ball vase a little bit more tightly, and it's locked in place. Very comfortable way to work on bracelets, very fast. Go back to 360 degrees rotation, Same features you can achieve using the cone mount on the standard GRS ball vase with the wheel. Just mount it in the adapter, locked it with the wheel in between the cone mount. As so, very easy, very comfortable. 360 degrees, lock it in place, have a comfortable grip, close it tightly. Great for bracelets and necklaces. Let's go back to the small micro GRS ball vase to demonstrate how we can utilize the wheel for watches. Mount our cone mount on the micro ball vase. I prepared the sample with a wristwatch and a case, a bezel, like so. Open the ball vase, mount the wheel in between, start closing it. And now we can work on the wristwatch, lock it in place, sit comfortable, release it again. Now, in order to work on the case itself, once again you need to utilize our small box, bolt 55 millimeters. Put it in the wheel like so, mount it with the small box and the screw knob, close it tightly, mount it in between the cone mount, close it, and now you have a comfortable approach to the case. Either it's drilling, opening holes, or starting cutting bright cut. Of course, once it's locked in place, either you can achieve 360 degrees with the ball vase, or either you just release a little bit and you have 360 degrees. And when you're ready, just lock it in place, and that's it. So as you see, we have a lot of attachment for the cone mount. For rings we have two options, 4 cylinders and 10 expandable collets. For earrings and pendants we have our large box, and for necklace, bracelets and watches we have our wheel right here. All the options with the attachment you can utilize either in a horizontal position or vertical position, and of course use it on the micro ball vase or on the standard ball vase. You choose what's comfortable for you according to your personal preference. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. On the next video I'm gonna showcase and demonstrate our next model, the hexagon base, so please stay tuned. And of course you're more than welcome to visit my website at rsglobus.com. Thank you for watching. See you next time.